Black kale burgers can be a tasty and nutritious vegetarian option. Here I present an Italian version of this recipe using fresh and easily available ingredients. Ingredients: 100 grams of black kale, destemmed and finely chopped, 100 grams of stale bread or breadcrumbs, 50 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 clove of garlic, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil as needed, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs of your choice, basil, parsley, rosemary, chopped. Optional, 50 grams of goat cheese or another soft cheese to add creaminess. Preparation: start by soaking the stale bread or breadcrumbs in milk until completely softened. In a large bowl, combine the chopped black kale, soaked bread, egg, Parmesan, garlic, and aromatic herbs. Mix well until you have a homogeneous mixture. If you have chosen to use goat cheese, add it at this stage. Taste and adjust for salt and pepper according to your preference. Shape the mixture into burgers. If it's too moist, you can add some breadcrumbs to absorb the excess liquid and make shaping the burgers easier. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a pan and cook the black kale burgers for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until they are well browned and crispy on the outside. Curiosity: black kale is a much-loved ingredient in Italian cuisine, especially in Tuscany, where it is the star of traditional dishes such as ribollita. Rich in nutrients and antioxidants, it's perfect for enriching vegetarian dishes with flavor and texture. You can customize this recipe according to your tastes and dietary needs. For example, to make it gluten-free, you can use gluten-free stale bread or breadcrumbs, and for a vegan version, you can replace the egg with a flaxseed egg and the cheese with a plant-based alternative.